Okay, well guys, welcome back to SPEEDhaus. Today we are working on a 720s McLaren, and we are doing the accumulators on the suspension. They are known for going out, and if you've never done one, because I've never done one, it is kind of an interesting ordeal. Starting off, after you pull the wheels off, you have to open the hood and you have to open the doors to get everything inside here. So we'll get the door open and we'll start pulling this fender liner out. Alright, we have the fender liner out, and if you're wondering why I had to open the door, there's a bolt right here that is covered by the door. And then the reason we had to open the hood is this hood bracket, when the hood is swung down closed, it covers the accumulator. So now that we have access to the accumulator, we're going to go through with the scanner and depressurize the system. Okay, so now after we've depressurized the system, there's a chance it could have a little bit of pressure still, so we're going to go ahead and put safety glasses on and our gloves. I gotta kind of do a roundabout way of breaking this loose, but it's okay. It's a 19 on top. Okay, got it broke loose now. Now you want to catch this fluid. It is going to come out of here. Hopefully not Mach Jesus, but that's some sort of Mach 3 probably. Good thing is, looks like the system did depressurize correctly, and starting to have some fluid flow out. Go ahead and try to catch it. There we go. There's our first accumulator. Find out. Okay, here's our old accumulator, here's our new one. So telltale signs of one's good or bad. Here's a good one. See how far a screwdriver goes down. And here's the old one. Goes all the way down. So that is bad, no good. So, time to put the new one in. That it was the hood bracket. So we open the hood. Okay. Cool, so the new accumulator in the front on the passenger side. So now we're gonna work over and do the exact same thing on the driver's side. And after that, we're gonna move on to the back. So back here in the rear, it's kind of a very similar procedure, except we don't got any doors or hood to open. Gonna pull this liner out of here. There's some Phillips and some T30s. That looks like it. So we'll get this liner pulled out and show you what's going on. Alright, we have the fender liners out. So now we're going to attempt to break these loose. I think it's going to come out. Oh yeah. Alright, rear number 1 is out. But well, we are pressurizing the system, letting it run. We're going to lock the lock, make sure all the fluid gets pulled through and fills up the accumulators. That is the goal currently. pulled it down a little bit. You'll need to drive it and then do it again.